Assalamu alaikum guys. Today this is gonna be a video which is gonna the running race, and we are gonna do challenges. In this video we got tired and this Kalima, and we are gonna tell you about Kalima meanings.
Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to our channel. Today, as you see, me in Alexandra Park, and if you checked our previous video, we were in Alexandra Park.
Yes, and we're back in Alexandra Park with the same clothes on. And yes, so guys, today it's gonna be a different one. Today we are going to do
racing, and we're going to tell you what is the meaning of La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. So La means no, and then illallah means God, and then
La ilaha so La means no, ilaha means God, and
illallah means but Allah. So all together means no God but Allah. So that's what we're going to tell you. So let's get to the racing, cause that's what.
Let's get to the my own formula.
Guys, this is a nice place, and every week before coronavirus we used to come here and do
Cameraman, show the road. So I built this in the 1932s.
And that is not true because he was not born that time. Yeah. Yeah.
So our task is to come here to there. Go there.
All the way there. Now. Okay, so the next race we're gonna do it there. I hope you like this game, and that's enough for today. Cause my legs are so tired. And make sure you like and subscribe. I said like 40 times.
Yeah, guys, I'm about to jump off this little chap. Hey, jump off this little chap in D. Actually, no. Hi, hang on.
This is so.
I'm gonna go over it, D. Oh, I might fall. I might fall to death.
Okay, I feel
guys,
like
I might fall to death. Guys, long time ago, before Corona, he joined here. Then COVID-19 was walking along.
Yeah.
And then he came to our city, and then
I can't do it.
Now we are free. Now we are free, guys. And guys, not just free, because you're gonna have to do it next week.
Yeah.
And guys, I'm gonna.
Okay.
Pony. No, I'm scared. Make sure you read.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Exactly. And guys, now I feel like it. I'm going to that place because this place looks free.
I just want some cold drinks. And yeah, that's.
Oh my.
This is reality.
This is expectations.
That's expectations.
I'm okay. Like, this is how you do photos.
Yeah. And then
this is reality. No, I'm scared. No, I don't want to do it. No.
That's what I feel like when I'm, the skateboard ramps. Then I'm just like, give me
Yeah, you never went on skateboard.
Guys, make sure we subscribe.
He's saying subscribe again. Guys, cameraman, show him.
Subscribe button and elastic.
We are going to show you these flowers, and you should say Subhanallah when you have seen such beautiful things.